So, dahil ako ang tinatanong mo ng ganyan, kung ano yung pinakamagandang investment, for me, ang pinakamagandang investment is mag-invest ka para sa sarili mo. Yeah. Bakit ko nasabi? Kasi ang hirap, lalo na kung ikaw ay katulad ko, breadwinner, tas may anak ka na, mag-isa mo lang tinataguyod yung anak mo. So, syempre, isipin mo na lang din yung magiging kinabukasan nila. So, invest for yourself. So, hindi ko sinabing invest yourself pa magpaganda ka. Ganyan. Although, it's good thing din naman magpaganda ka, mag-ayos ka, syempre, para at least kahit nahihirapan ka na, you still look fresh and young. Charot, fresh and young. Yeah. Yeah, so ayan, invest for yourself. Try to have some insurance for yourself. So in the future naman, kung kukuha ka para sa sarili mo ng insurance, magagamit mo yun in case of uncertainties. So, marami tayong klase kasi na insurance. So, depende yun sa goal mo, kung ano yung target mo, di ba? So, ayun, kuha ka na insurance. Magagamit mo rin naman yan in the future eh. Hindi naman sinabi na pag kumuha ka ng insurance, mamamatay ka kaagad. Hello, hindi yung ganon. So, you are just preparing. You are just being, we just want to be ready in case of uncertainties. Second is, ano pa ba magandang investment? Real estate. Kung pag kaya na ng finances mo, kaya na ng mga nang naipon mo or na-save mo, go! Magandang investment din ang real estate. Bakit? Kasi ang real estate, habang tumatagal, mabulok man yan, yung bahay na yan, bahay talaga, mabulok talaga yung bahay. Siyempre kung puro kahoy naman at yan, kawayan, siyempre mabubulok talaga yan. So, ayun, yung mag-invest ka sa real estate, kasi nowadays, kasi maganda mag-invest sa real estate. O, tumataas kasi yung value niyan. Tapos gawin mo, it's either, kung gusto mo namang retirement siya, go! Pwede mo siyang tirhan. Kung gusto mo siyang gawing Airbnb, patok na patok ang Airbnb. Yes, Sky, patok na patok yan. So, yun. Pwede mo siyang gawing staycation. Yan. So, yeah, maganda ring investment yung real estate. Yung mga condo, gawin mong paupahan na mga Airbnb, yes. Yan. Ano pa ba magandang investment? Business. Kung may talent ka sa negosyo, invest. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga kanina, mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. So, yun, mag-invest ka sa sarili mo to gain gain knowledge. Yan, kung business-minded ka, yan, business-minded, napunta na tayo sa networking. Kung business-minded ka, yes, you can create or you can do your own business. Build your own business. Yes. Baka yan pa yung makatulong sa'yo para maging mayaman ka, 'di ba? Ayun, build your own business. Although there's a risk naman sa pagbe-business, pero lahat naman ng investment kasi merong tinatawag tayong high and low risk pagdating sa investment. So, yun. So, it's up to you kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. So, actually, there is no definite answer sa kung ano ba talaga yung magandang investment. Investing is a way of putting your money to work for you so that you can achieve your financial goals and grow your wealth. So actually nowadays there are many options available. So it's paano ka nga lang mamimili, 'di ba? It depends to you. Sabi ko nga kanina, there's no definite answer sa kung ano ba talaga yung best investment. So, different investments have different risks. risk, returns, and suitability to the investors, with the investor. However, some general principles can help you make a better decisions. Is first, you should have a clear idea of your planned investments, your objectives, time horizon, and the risk tolerance you have. Second is you should do some research and understand the characteristics and performance of the investment you are trying to invest, or you are considering when in terms of investment. Third is you should diversify your investment and avoid all putting all your money in one investment. So it's something like putting all your yung parang yung sa basket, yung egg yon, diba? Wag mo ilagay sa isang lalagyan lang, sa isang basket lang yung lahat ng itlog. So yeah, so para at least you can diversify your investment. So yeah, para sa akin yun yung pinaka magandang isipin. That's the best principles that can help you choose the best investment for your situation. So yun, kung gusto mo talaga mag-invest, I can always advise you to talk to financial expert, financial mga licensed financial advisors, consultant, to ask them what are the best investment that suits to your budget, that suits to your, to your pocket. Yung budget na may pocket pa, di ba? So ayun, yun yung mga risk. Kasi meron tayong high risk and low risk na investment. So ayun, dapat we have to be well aware yung mga risk na yon, para at least alam natin kung saan natin ilalagay yung pera natin, yung pinaghirapan natin. Mahirap na mapunta lang sa wala yung pinaghirapan natin. Yeah, that's it for me.